We have some very interesting articles here, very bullish. So XRP breaks silence with price move. Here is what comes next. And then we got XRP adds 1 billion after Elon Musk mentions the token. That's a very interesting article. So Brics in Japan key to XRP's bull run despite Gary's regulatory pressure. So we'll talk about that last, and that's probably the most exciting. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Spartacus. If you're new to the video and you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button where we only talk about XRP news, because XRP is the #1 coin out there. After days of lackluster range trading that left many wondering about its next move, XRP has finally shown signs of life, initiating a modest rebound. So it's very exciting. The cryptocurrency initiated a rebound on Sunday, slightly edging higher. While not dramatic, this upward rise is significant as it might indicate a potential shift in market sentiment. So the price of XRP, which has been trading sideways, gained slight bullish momentum, rising higher. At the time of writing, XRP was at 2.33% rise in the last 24 hours, 55.18. XRP's trading volume has risen significantly, 85.51% in the last 24 hours to 1.07 billion. So XRP began increasing from Sunday's low of 53.6, reaching highs of 55.6 in today's trading session. If today closes in the green, XRP would mark its second consecutive day in gains. So we can see the graph down below. It's very bullish and it's ready for an absolutely explosion. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk directly mentioned XRP for the first time ever, eliciting positive reactions in the crypto community. So XRP faces a critical hurdle, the daily simple moves average, or the SMA 50 at 56 cents. If the upward movement is sustained, if XRP can break above this resistance level, it may be able to continue its upward trend. Failures to do so may result in a decline as traders who buy in at lower levels take profits. So a recent attempt on October 17th to break through this level was met with resistance from bears. I say it's met with resistance from the SEC. That said, the next few days might be crucial for XRP to see if it can break through this level. Breaking above the daily SMA 50 could attract more buyers, potentially pushing the price higher. On the other hand, if the resistance proves too strong, XRP might consolidate or even retrace some of its gains. So what's next for XRP? So XRP price is currently trading between its daily moving averages of 50 and 200 at 56 cents and 53.9 cents respectively. So for the time being, the market will keep a careful eye on XRP price movement near its daily moving averages for any signs of a breakout or breakdown. So in the situation on a decisive breakout might signify additional gains, possibly targeting 65.49 cents level. It is on the cards and it's going to be happening. So while a rejection could indicate more range bound trading in the near term, on the other hand, a break below the daily SMA 200 53.9 cents might push the XRP price to the lower end of its range, potentially targeting 50.7 for support, but I don't think it's going to happen. So XRP adds 1 billion after Elon Musk mentions it in a video down below that we will look at very shortly. So on Sunday, October the 20th, billionaire Elon Musk hosted a town hall meeting in support of Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Musk's extraordinary ability to attract publicity was on a full display. The event marked the second instance in which the tech guru, gave $1 million check to rally attendee who had signed his online petition. However, this event did not stand out. It had noticeable and immediate effect on the financial markets, crypto markets, to be direct. To be more precise, this time Musk did not talk about his favorite digital assets such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or the Ethereum, the elite coins. Instead, the billionaire mentioned XRP for the first time in a public setting. So it is exceptionally exciting. The single mention, which Musk outright stated was neither an endorsement nor lack of an endorsement, was not enough to generate a market increase in both XRP activity and price. but it did add 1 billion to the market. So Musk's XRP mention ignites a flurry of activity. So XRP has been subject of a long-standing legal proceedings between the SEC, or Gary if you like, and Ripple Labs. After an initial ruling was made, largely in Ripple Labs' favor, the SEC appealed the decision on October 17th. What's more, the appeal is centered around the main subject of the proceedings, whether or not XRP is a security. So with uncertainty reintroduced into the mix, XRP has been relatively stagnant at press time. Prices have declined by 9% year to date. However, Musk's mention of the token has caused a rapid 3.44% gain on the daily chart, 55.813 cents, as we can see down below. The Tesla CEO mentioned XRP during the question and answer section of the event after an attendee asked whether or not the ledger would eventually be adopted by financial institutions. So particularly in light of opposition by the SEC's current head, Gary Gensler. Famous names. So breaking Elon Musk about XRP. Elon Musk was asked, do you envision XRP ledger? Well, actually, we'll listen to the video. It's easier, I think. So here we go.
Given how punitive the SEC has been towards crypto under this administration, do you envision the XRP ledger being incorporated into the financial institutions in the future?
Well, I certainly cannot speak to any specific crypto, but you know, I do think that the sort of cryptocurrency is an interesting and probably valuable bulwark against a centralized control. So, you know, this is definitely not an endorsement or lack of endorsement for XRP, but I do think crypto, by its very nature, it helps with individual freedom.
So he was very careful as of what he was saying, but he mentioned XRP a few times, and he did want to say some more, but he's not allowed to by the elite. So Musk answered that crypto in general is an interesting, probably valuable bulwark against centralized control, clarifying that his statement was neither an endorsement nor a lack of endorsement for XRP. However, markets have seemingly interpreted the statement as strong, if indirect endorsement. In tandem, with the price surge, the token's market capitalizations increased by 30.6 billion to 31.6 billion in the span of just 24 hours. As per the last data retrieved by Finbold from CoinMarketCap, as we can see down below, it has absolutely skyrocketed, 1.11 billion, 90% increase from the day before. So XRP's long-term outlook, although it remains to be seen if Musk's first public mention of the token will ignite a significant rally, several factors point towards the conclusion that the token will continue to trade sideways for a little while yet. But I think that's rubbish. While cryptocurrency experts like Alan Santana predict that the price will reach as high as $2 in 2025 per the token's escrow schedule, the 1.2 billion XRP that entered circulation in October will likely prevent strong movements to the upside in the short term. The result of the SEC's appeal will certainly be driving factors behind long-term price action, and while the appeal has put a damper on any potential rally, traders and investors should remember that the initial ruling was in Ripple Labs' favor, a result that could very well happen again. So while Musk did not give a straightforward answer quite clearly in the video, Ripple has set its sights on a financial institutions, having recently announced the introduction of a crypto custody storage geared towards banks. So these new developments certainly bode well for XRP, and Trump victory in November elections could serve as a key catalyst for a breakout, and it is going to happen. I really do hope Trump gets in. So the most interesting one is that Brics and Japan key to XRP's bull run despite the US regulatory pressure. So these guys are ignoring what the US is saying. They're backing XRP. So since the Brics and Japan have pushed for XRP adoption, as reported by recent CNF updates, despite ongoing regulatory challenges in the US, Japan and the Brics alliance continue to embrace Ripple. and its infrastructure. So notably, 80% of Japan's, once again, are now working with Ripple to enhance international payments. This is absolutely massive, showcasing how far blockchain technology has advanced in traditional finance. Renowned analyst Crypto Tank pointed out that the SEC's appeal against Ripple has not deterred Japan and the Brics nations from adopting XRP, emphasizing its role in the global financial systems. In addition, Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, recently announced a blockchain-based payment system for Brics, aiming to bypass Western financial institutions. So this is an absolutely massive move. So XRP's use case, facilitated by the XRP ledger, provides faster and cheaper transactions than established systems like SWIFT. So hopefully Ripple will take over SWIFT. In another CNF post, Ripple's XRPL Japan and Korea fund opened for applications supporting blockchain innovation and community growth. So this is massive news. So Ripple has already processed over 20 million transactions totaling $30 billion, further boosting investors' confidence. So analysts believe XRP could eventually compete with SWIFT, which handles over 5 trillion in daily transactions. That's a massive number. Though Ripple still has a long way to go catching up with SWIFT's established global network of elites. So the potential price trajectory, let's have a look at it. Ripple's growing global adoption, particularly by institutional investors and major financial institutions, is expected to influence XRP's price positively. Many experts argue that the SEC case is irrelevant, and it really is, for the global adoption of XRP, as demonstrated by the unwavering support from Japan and Brics. With XRP's proven utility in cross-border payments, analysts foresee significant growth potential, with discussions suggesting that the token is undervalued compared to its current market price. And it really is, it's a no-brainer. It is going to be number one coin in the future. So XRP captures more of the payment market. It could pose a viable alternative to SWIFT, especially given the advantages of faster transaction speeds and lower costs. However, overcoming SWIFT's established trust and vast network remains a long-term challenge for Ripple. As of today, Ripple is trading at 54.04 cents, 0.35% in the past day, and 2.15 in the past week. So very interesting. Make sure you do your own homework. And Ripple is a hidden gem. It is a dark night. And that is all from Crypto Spartacus. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss out on the latest in XRP news.